Okay, I'm going to talk about multiplication. And there's actually going to be a couple of screencasts. I'm going to do a simple one and a harder one next. So, or times. Right, and the example I'm going to choose is 8,197 times 7, simply because I can. Well, I can work it out exactly, but the important thing I want to get across here is that it's important to estimate it. So I'm just going to take just a rough, not quite a formal rounding, but just a number that's not too far off this 8197. It's very accurately expressed. If I just say, well, it's roughly 8,000, and multiply it by 7, then in terms of thousands, I've got 7 eighths of 56,000. And that's my first approximate answer. Of course, the real answer is going to be bigger than that, because the real number is bigger than 8,000. It's 8,197. That should be a 7. It looks like a 2, doesn't it? 7. I can take a slightly better approximation by thinking in terms of, instead of 8,000, I can say, well, it's very nearly 8,200 times 7. So we had 8,000 times 7 is this, and 200 times 7 is just another 1,400 on top of that, isn't it? So 57400. That's my next answer. Now this one was an underestimate. This one's an overestimate, because to get it, I'm multiplying 8,200 by 7, and the real number here is slightly, only 3, but slightly less than 8,200. You've got to know when to stop doing this. I mean, of course, I could get the exact answer by just subtracting 21 from this, but you may as well do it. You may as well do the full multiplication. Okay, so let's just do it and see how close this rough guess here was. 7 sevens, because we start at the right hand side. 7 sevens are 49. 9 down, 4 to carry. And basically what's going on here, there's your 49 from your 7 sevens, which whatever column this one is, this column here is worth 10 times as many. So these 4 in this column here, each one of these is worth 10 times as much as that one, whichever column you're in. That might be the millions, this is the 10 millions. That might be the billions, this is the 10 billions. Okay, 9 sevens are 63, plus 4, 63, 67, 64, 65, 66, 67. 7 down, 6 to carry. What you couldn't see there was that I was counting on my fingers. 7 ones are 7, plus 6 is 13. 3 down, 1 to carry. Again, that's the 3, and the 3 down there, and 1 to carry is because that's a 10. 7 eighths are 56, plus 1 is 57. And there's my answer, 57379. And look, I said 57400, so that's right. That's quite a nice comparison. Of course, I can subtract one from the other and get 21, because we had 8,200 and we've got 3 less than 3 sevens are 21. Okay, multiplication, a whistle-stop tour of multiplication. I'm going to stop there.